All right, what's going on, guys? Mike the window cleaner here. We're here in beautiful, beautiful South Florida here today, and we're doing a window treatment. So if you could take a look here, take a look on some of these windows. You see all these hard water stains? So in this case specifically, there's a sprinkler head over here, and the sprinkler head has been shooting a lot of the water here. And here in Florida, the pH is extremely, extremely high. So what we're gonna do is a window treatment, and we're gonna be using our steel wool here and a little bit of solution. And we're gonna scrub and get this off. So something really important here when using the steel wool, it comes in a variety of different grades. So for the windows, so we don't scratch them and we're as less invasive as possible, we're gonna use quadruple zero grade. You get that at the Home Depot. Just make sure it is the 4 zeros.
How many zeros is that?
4 zeros. All right, so after we scrub the whole window with the steel wool and solution, what we're gonna do is go over it with the water-fed pole. We're using the Tucker here, the half nylon and half boar's head. I really do like the boar's head. I feel like it gives it that extra scrub. Gives a little more coarseness. You could use it with you don't have to use the water-fed pole. You could use the squeegee, the old hand technique. I prefer the pole, so.
Wow, what time?
Just give it a good rinse first. Pull the debris off your frame. Scrubbing the frame first. My partner says doing it sideways and no, I think it's full of shit.
Did I actually say that?
Dude.
Oh shit.